Back here at the local. Back at the local. This has been my go-to spot. They got good food. I only ate here once or twice though. But I'm here for drinks. All right, good.
Okay naman dun. Pag tinara mo siya 2 beses, automatic siyang charge.
Espresso martini. Good. Coconut came on. Now I'm waiting for my Irish coffee. Double Irish coffee. Don't know. I'm gonna have to drink it down.
Double Irish coffee?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And that's actually hot. Alright, appreciate you. Alright, yeah, me. Taste some of this Irish coffee. It has a very interesting bitter type of taste, but it's not a bad bitter. You know what I'm saying? It's like, because it's plus it's hot. It's like real coffee. 2 shots of whiskey in here. So, very good. So yeah, see, I'm gonna have to come out here after hours. Nobody out here. It's not the infinity pool. See, that's the infinity pool right here. It's not a jacuzzi enough. It's an infinity pool. So let me see something. The pool is kind of cool, but it's not harmless. And you don't have to sit in there waist deep or whatever. But yeah, this is nice. And then like I said, we haven't pulled off yet. But I'm just doing some walking around until I get figure out where I'm going. We're on clock at 3. This is just 4K 24, which should be good enough. But plenty of spots for seating and lounging. I mean, these is okay, but there's nothing like a view of the ocean or wherever you at. This is part of Indulge, another one of the food halls. I only been there once. I need to go back there more and check them out. But yeah, them boats, they've been sitting there the whole time. Plenty of space and room to enjoy whoever you're with, and just sit back and relax and lounge. Probably rent these out. I don't know, it might be available. The ship is definitely nice. And then another bar. The Soleil bar. We're gonna be pulling off soon. I wonder if I can get to see some pier on this. No, 7 o'clock. I actually feel like we already moved. Matter of fact, we are moving. Views as we leave. Balcony sections. That's what I need to do. Be on there chilling. There's another infinity pool. Plenty of room. Shower. Another infinity pool. Well, not infinity pool, but a lounge spot. So it's either a show going on probably right now. I don't know why it's so empty out here. It might be a dinner. It's the local. I just came from the other side of it. Where you can eat indoors or outdoors. And one of the things to dry style. Alright, so what do we have here? See-through walkway. They took this right out of MSC's playbook. More spots to chill at. Oh wow, look at this. This is nice. Very, very nice. Man, just sitting here lounging. Yeah, I haven't seen this part of the ship yet. This is interesting. Okay, Aqua. Okay. Alright, so I found this little, I forgot what they call it, periscope. This thing actually works. I don't know if I'm able to get a view from the camera, but I already checked, and yeah, you can see all them houses and stuff on top of the hill. More places to chill at, and it's on the other side of the ship. You got your life rafts right there. I'm going to assume it's going to mimic the other side of this ship that we just got finished looking at.
Chilling with teammate skills, you know what I mean?